Welcome to SOTG, my TikTok series with I will test all fragrances under extreme circumstances to give you the projection and longevity to give you the performance. In today's video, we are using L'Oxydor Loyal Agar. Para maiba naman yung content natin, hindi na puro inspired, I want to introduce to you to Middle Eastern fragrances, one of the cheapest yet beast mode performance fragrances of L'Oxydor. This Loyal Agar. It is supposed to be a clone of PDM Layton. It has that vanilla, amber, tobacco, lavender, bergamot type of scent. So it's a very good fragrance to be used during the cold days. Samahan nyo ngayon na gamitin siya sa isang buong araw. And by the way, the price of this is around 700 pesos for the 30 ml and around 1.2 to 1.5 sa kanyang 100 ml like this. So let's test it out. So tip lang, pag mga beast mode performance na fragrances like this one, I suggest you to use 3 to 5. Pero for today, I will use 5 simply because ang pahit nun. Ba't akong salita? Inamis yun na nga. I suggest you just to use 5 sprays maximum because it's a beast mode performance and yeah, sweet scent siya. So pag napawisan ka or pag naarawan, medyo nakaka-cloying. And as always, be cautious of your surroundings. Inamis yun lang, samahan nyo ako ngayon mag-Christmas shopping and kung ano mga pwede kong gawin ngayong araw. Yun lang, peace. And yes, nakakaamoy na ako ulit. May konti siya pa rin pero nakakaamoy na ako. So I guess I can review again. I might not be fully recovered pero at least may maamoy na ako and I think that's a good sign. So review natin ulit si HSI Motivational later. Yun lang, peace.
So na nga, before tayo umalis, fit check muna tayo. By the by, yun na nga, yung aso ko pala sa Fury. Hi. Anyways, before kami umalis, kumain muna kami sa karinderya since malapit lang sa amin. Tamang kain lang muna, di ba? So yun na nga, after kumain, bumiyahin agad kami. And ito nga pala ang update sa daan sa Dagupan. So far, 2-way na ulit siya. Yay! Pero hindi pa rin siya naaayos. I think it might take until next year para matapos ang lahat ng daan dito. Hassle pre. And then we went to Bella Chica since meron siyang appointment ulit. Napagana daw siya. And then we went to SM to check things out. Buy gifts na rin, di ba? So yun, smell check muna tayo. Meron pa rin naman siya after 2 hours siguro yan. Kain muna. And then we went to Miniso to check out the fragrances there. And I think wala dito yung mga pinaparequest ninyo. So, hindi ko bumili. Yun. And then I bought some gifts na rin para sa family ko. Mga slippers, unan, and whatsoever. So we went to the Loop to check the Apple Watches since ang tagal ko nang gusto ng Apple Watch. And finally, dininig ang aking pangarap ng aking girlfriend. So thank you to my beautiful girlfriend. Medyo masakit sa kanya. Rekaluhan ako. Bukaw naman siya. Anyways, yun na nga. Ang tagal na rin tong Seiko watch ko. I think it's been a year na rin since I last bought a watch and I wanted to start my watch collection kasi nga lang sabi ko Apple Watch na lang. I rather have a Apple Watch than a typical watches. Mas magagamit ko to eh. Anyways, after that I went to Bench. Ito na guys, Fly Human. Okay, nabili ko na and then I went to this shop. I want to buy something na hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa TikTok pero isa yun. And then I went to Ukay, bumili kami ng rider's jacket. Yun, ganda nito eh. So binili ko siya. So kumain muna kami ulit before umuwi sa bahay. And ito nga pala yung traffic. So ganito ka-traffic sa Dagupan. Ang hassle no. Like front to back, sobrang siksikan, sobrang traffic, ang daming usok. Ang hassle, di ba? So anyways, yun lang naman. By the end of the day, it's for the improvement of the province. Para, alam mo na, para gumanda yung daan, iwas sa baha since laging binabaha dito sa Dagupan. Anyways, yun lang, uwi na tayo. Bye-bye!
So your boy just got home after 6 hours? Umalis kami dito ng 11, nakarating kami dito ulit ng 4. So yun na nga, this is my final verdict for the Loyal Agar by L'Oxydor. I think undoubtedly this is one of the best still for its price na Middle Eastern fragrances. For it to last up to 6 hours on my skin during hindi naman sa sunny day, during a day na ang daming ginawa. Like I went shopping, bumiyahe ako, ang daming usok, alikabok, since we are in Dagupan, so sobrang alikabok and usok and ang daming pollution. Like it may affect the longevity, but still, andito pa rin siya sa balat ko for 6 hours. Maybe the projection isn't there, pero as long as nasa skin ko pa rin siya, the juice quality is still there. So yeah, I think this is one of the best late night type of fragrance. Sweet, masculine type, medyo may pagka Tabasco, alam niyo na yan, Tabasco scent din siya. So I think this is one of the best Middle Eastern fragrances. It's not called the PDM Layton with steroids for no reason. So if you're looking for something na, you know, medyo nasa budget pa rin, na pwede mong gamitin sa gabi, L'Oxydol Loyal Agar is one of the best date night, late night, something like that type of fragrance. So yun na nga, I cannot recommend it even more. Wala akong masabi kasi under yung projection niya, the projection isn't, di naman siya overwhelming. Okay, medyo cloying siya pag naarawan ka talaga, pero if you're just gonna sweat, I think that would benefit even more sa projection niya. Basta yun lang, I cannot say anything anymore. Medyo pagod na rin ako. So, I hope this helps you on buying the Loyal Agar of L'Oxydol. I'm so in love with this one. Mas pipiliin ko to kaysa sa Detour Noir. Detour Noir. Yun na nga. So, yeah. This one is one of the best. Just buy this if you can. Kaso nga lang, I think out of stock siya. Yeah, yun lang. Peace.